impressions happen faster than you think. In fact, on the phone, they happen in about 3 seconds. Those first 3 seconds can either win a patient's trust or send them looking elsewhere. I'm Dr. Jen. I help women dentists build thriving drama-free practices, and today I'm going to show you the 3-second rule that my own team uses to make patients instantly feel welcomed and cared for before we even start talking about scheduling or treatment. It is simple, but it is important, and it works. Patients call your office when they're nervous, when they're curious, or even frustrated. If the greeting they get feels flat, rushed, or cold, it's almost impossible to recover. But if the first 3 seconds are warm and confident, everything else gets easier, including case acceptance later. Set a clear standard for your team. The phone is answered within 3 rings. They don't scramble. They pause, they take a breath, they smile, and then they pick up. That moment of intention changes their tone. Patients can literally hear a smile. There have been studies done on this. In those first 3 seconds, they're going to say 3 things in this order. They're going to thank them for calling. They're going to name your practice so they know they reached the right spot. And they're going to say their name. As an example, in my practice, it would sound like this. Thank you for calling Impact Orthodontics. This is Jen. How may I help you today? This one sentence instantly communicates warmth, professionalism, and accountability. Once they respond, you want to make sure you get their name as early in the conversation as possible. May I have your name so I can better assist you? Then use it naturally. That single step doubles the sense of personal care. Someone's name is their very favorite word, so we should be using it as much as possible. Coach your team to listen to their own tone. Do a side-by-side. Record a greeting that is said while distracted or frustrated, and then record the same greeting said after a deep breath and a smile. Play them back in a team meeting. The difference is night and day. So here's a quick recap for you. Answer with intention. Deliver the 3-second greeting. Thank you, practice name, your name. Get the patient's name early and smile so they hear it. So this week, record 3 incoming calls. Hopefully you have a system that's already doing that for you. And then play back only the first 10 seconds and grade them using the Call Audit Checklist that you can find linked below. You will be amazed at how quickly your team can improve with just a few small tweaks. So do you think your greeting was passing or failing the 3-second test? Tell me in the comments. And if you don't have the Call Audit Checklist already, it's down below. It will make all of your phone training so much easier. When you master the first 3 seconds, everything else in the patient experience gets smoother. You don't have to overhaul your entire process. Just start with how you answer the phone. I'm Dr. Jen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.